The next question is, give me an example of how you improve diversity in your team. For more interview questions, please go to our website at bowz8.com. Here's a good answer. Improving diversity on my team has been an intentional, ongoing effort, and one example was when I realized our engineering team lacked representation from underrepresented groups in tech. To address this, I developed a multi-step approach to create a more inclusive hiring and team culture. 1. I audited our job postings for biased language that might unintentionally discourage candidates from underrepresented backgrounds. For example, I replaced phrases like rockstar engineer with inclusive language. 2. I collaborated with HR to diversify our recruitment pipeline by engaging with organizations like Girls Who Code and Black Girls Code. We also attended job fairs focused on diverse candidates and partnered with platforms such as Stack Overflow and LinkedIn groups aimed at underrepresented communities. 3. I introduced unconscious bias training for the interview panel. This ensured that every interviewer was aware of and actively mitigating their biases. We revamped the interview process to focus on practical skills rather than culture fit. Instead, we aimed for culture add, prioritizing candidates who would bring diverse perspectives. 4. I worked on fostering an environment where everyone felt they belonged. I set up mentorship programs and employee resource groups to ensure that new hires had support. We also celebrated diverse cultural events to build awareness and inclusion. 5. Finally, I implemented a system to track our hiring metrics and retention rates by demographic. This data helped us understand where we were making progress and where we needed to focus more effort. Over time, our team composition became much more diverse. Beyond the numbers, the diversity brought fresh perspectives that led to creative solutions for our customers. For example, a new hire from a non-traditional background proposed a feature optimization for users in low-bandwidth regions, which significantly improved adoption rates in emerging markets. Why does this work? 1. Proactive steps. It demonstrates initiative by addressing both recruitment and retention challenges. 2. Concrete actions. The example provides specific strategies, e.g., revising job descriptions, expanding pipelines, unconscious bias training, that show actionable commitment. 3. Acknowledges cultural integration. It highlights the importance of creating a workplace where diversity thrives, not just focusing on hiring. 4. Emphasizes impact. The tangible results, e.g., improved team composition, innovative solutions, link diversity efforts directly to team success. 5. Long-term vision. Tracking metrics and promoting mentorship programs shows a sustainable approach. What you should avoid. 1. Superficial efforts. Avoid mentioning only surface-level actions, such as just attending diversity job fairs. This can appear performative rather than genuinely committed. 2. Tokenism. Never suggest you hired someone just because of their background. Emphasize that diversity contributes to better ideas and outcomes. 3. Avoiding cultural integration. Focusing only on hiring without addressing how to create an inclusive environment may indicate a lack of long-term planning. 4. Blaming external factors. Avoid saying things like, "We don't have diverse candidates in our area," as it shifts responsibility away from your own efforts. 5. Lack of metrics. Omitting measurable results makes the answer less compelling. Be ready to discuss outcomes to show that your efforts were effective. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to our website at bowz8.com.